Привет, my dear minds! In this lesson, you will learn to express emotional and physical conditions that you're in and learn questions that the dative case has. Let's start.
Я голодный. I'm hungry.
Look at the ending of this adjective and say whether it's a feminine or masculine ending.
Correct. It's a masculine ending. Ü is a masculine ending.
So a man says, "Я голодный." Now tell me, how will this phrase sound if a woman says it?
A woman says it, Я голодная. I'm hungry. Я is a feminine ending.
You can also say «Я голоден». Голоден is a short form of the adjective голодный. Голодна is a short form of the adjective голодная. The opposite of it is «Я сыт» or «Я сыта». Сыт is a short form of the adjective сытый. Сыта is a short form of the adjective сытая. In this sentence, a short form is usually used. Я сыт or я сыта.
Я устал. I'm tired. A man says it. Я устала. I'm tired. A woman says it.
Устал is a verb that means the emotional, mental, or physical condition that a person is in. Мне жарко. I'm hot. Мне холодно. I'm cold. These sentences start with the pronoun мне. Мне is a form of the pronoun я in the dative case. Холодно and жарко are the physical conditions. Мне жарко. I'm hot. Мне холодно. I'm cold. And pay attention that in these sentences it doesn't matter who says it, a man or a woman. A man can say мне жарко, and a woman can say мне жарко. A man can say мне холодно, and a woman can say мне холодно. We don't need to change the ending. Мне грустно. I'm sad. Мне весело. I'm having fun. These two sentences also start with the pronoun мне, the dative form of the pronoun я. Мне плохо. I'm feeling bad or I'm not feeling well. This phrase is used when a person is not feeling well or feels regret over something or remorse for something or guilt about something. Мне хорошо. I'm feeling well or I'm feeling good. This construction, мне хорошо, is used both if a person feels well after having suffered from illness or injury, and if a person is satisfied and happy. Мне скучно. I'm bored.
Now let's see how the other pronouns look and are pronounced in the dative case. We needed to tell about other people's physical, emotional, and mental conditions. The nominative case – я. The dative case – мне. Мы. Нам. Ты. Тебе. Вы. Вам. Он. Ему. Она. Ей. Оно. Ему. Они. Им. Let's see how it works. Number 1. Ей грустно. Number 2. Ему жарко.
Number 3. Им холодно. Number 4. Тебе весело. Exercise 1. I will say the pronouns in the nominative case. You need to say their dative form. For example, я. The dative form of it is мне.
Number 1. Она. Number 2. Они. Number 3. Ты. Number 4. Он. Number 5. Мы. Number 6. Оно. Number 7. Вы. Check yourself. Number 1. Ей. Number 2. Им. Number 3. Тебе. Number 4. Ему. Number 5. Нам. Number 6. Ему. Number 7. Вам.
Exercise 2. Watch this video fragments and say the character's emotional and physical conditions.
Check yourself. Number 1. Ему грустно. Number 2. Ей холодно. Number 3. Ей весело. Number 4. Ему плохо. Number 5. Она устала. Number 6. Им жарко. Number 7. Он голодный. Or он голоден. Number 8. Ей скучно.
Exercise 3. How are you feeling?
The dative case has two questions. Кому, when it's about a person, or чему, when it's about a thing. Кому is the dative form of the question кто, who. Чему is the dative form of the question что, what. Let's see how it works. Ей холодно. She's cold. Now let's make questions. Кому холодно? Who is cold? Or холодно кому? You can put a question word at the beginning of an interrogative sentence or at the end of it. Answer. Ей.
Она готовит завтрак родителям. She makes breakfast for the parents. Кому она готовит завтрак? For whom does she make breakfast? Answer. For the parents. If you don't remember the endings of the dative case, watch my lesson 34. The link to this lesson you will find in the description below.
Exercise 4. Pause the video and make questions with кому and чему, and answer them. Check yourself. Number 1. Кому грустно? Answer мне. Number 2. Кому он читает книгу? Answer детям. Number 3. Кому плохо? Answer ее брату. Number 4. Чему они дают команду? Answer роботу.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new videos. Пока!